Welcome to the Indus Travels Affiliate Program. Let's walk through how you can sign up and kick things off. Head over to the Indus Travels Affiliate Program page on our website. Look for the Become a Partner Today button and give it a click. A sign-up form will pop up where you'll need to enter your full name, email, password, and your affiliate ID. Choose your affiliate ID carefully. It's unique to you and can't be changed later. Next, add your billing details. Enter your legal name, the email address where you'd like invoices sent, your address, city postal code, and country, then hit continue. Now, provide your phone details and your website URL, and click Start Now. Your details will be sent to Indus Travels for approval. Once approved, you're all set to use the TrackDesk dashboard. From there, you can select PayPal as your payment method, fill in the details, and you're good to go.